Hello, this is the first question of homework 6. It gives us the function of x and y. And says it's a joint density function. The function is bxy in the area of 0 uh, uh, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 1. And the first part is to find b. Because the function is the joint density function, we can easily write this equation that the integral of this function on this area is equal to 1. So we solve out that b is equal to 8. And the second part is to find and sketch the marginal density function fx and fy. According to the definition of the function fx and fy, we can easily write down this fx equal to the integral of y of this function uh, in the area of y. Y is from x to 1. So we can solve out equal to 4x minus 4x3. And fy is equal to the integral of this function on the area of x. And x is from 0 to y. We can easily draw the figure of these two functions like this. And the third part is to prove or disprove that x, y are independent. Because we have solved out that the function of x and function of y is this, and we can see that the fx multiplied by fy is not equal to the function of fxy. So we can say that xy are not independent. And the fourth part is to find ex, ey, and exy. We have solved out the function fx and fy, so we can easily get ex by do the integration of x fx on the area of x. We can solve out it to be 18, 15. And ey is the same with ex to integrate the y fy. And we can solve out to be 4 in 5. And exy is equal to the integral of xy fxy, and to be 4 in 9. The next part is to disprove that xy are uncorrelated. We have solved out the value of ex, ey, and we see that ex multiplied by ey is not equal to exy, so xy are not uncorrelated. Next, find and sketch the conditional density function fyx and fxy. We can solve that the function of y depend on x is equal to fxy in on f divided by fx, and this equal to, we have solved out fxy, and we have the function of fxy and fx, so we can just solve out it easily. And then fx depends on y is similarly like before, is equal to fxy divided by fy, so we can solve out like this. The next part is to find the y dependent on x and y dependent on x. On small x, y is y dependent on big X, and x dependent on small y, ex dependent on big Y. Uh, we can, because we have just get the function of f y dependent on small x, so we can get the we can get the function like this, and then we can, because this is small x, the big X is just to rewrite this function to in big X. And we can check if it's right or not. And EY is equal to the y depending on x, and is equal to 4 in 5. It's the same with the result of we solved before. So yx is the right, is correct. And similarly, we can get ex depending on y like this, and then we need to check that if this is the same with the value before, and the result is yes. So we can say that this is the correct answer.